Hi everyone, today I'm making a lemon and thyme marinade. For the marinade you're gonna need 1 small clove of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of onion finely chopped, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh chopped thyme. You're going to start making the marinade by combining the garlic clove and the salt in a bowl, and then you're going to mash the garlic with the salt. I'm not sure why you do this. I'm sure it does something to the flavor of the garlic. If you know what it does, comment down below. I just wanted to stick to the recipe and it turned out fantastic, so definitely do this if you make it. I found that the best way to kind of get the garlic mixed in with the salt is to mash it up onto the sides of the bowl. You can really get in there and work on the garlic. Once you've done that, you're just going to combine everything and give it a good whisk to make sure that everything comes together. Then you're going to put it on your protein of choice. I have some frozen chicken that I just defrosted. It was raining the day that I made the video, so I wasn't able to grill the chicken. I just did a saute, but grilling the chicken would have been fantastic. This recipe turned out so good. I think it's one of the favorite things I've made on my channel yet. It was so light and bright and just really fresh. I normally don't use marinade, so I think I was just really enjoying the flavor it gave to the chicken. If you make the recipe, make sure you save some fresh lemons because adding that little bit of fresh lemon onto the chicken was just perfect. I was so excited about eating it that I forgot to take a video of the final product, so I'm going to insert a picture at the end for you guys to see. I just want to encourage you guys to get out there and try recipes. If you have any old cookbooks or just any cookbook in general that you just want to try recipes from, because you just don't know and you're going to be really surprised by a recipe. I really enjoyed this video today. I hope you guys did too. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be reminded when I put out new videos. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you here next time on Vintage Cookery.